Welcome to qnawire.
We have been given some sample data. Sample size n is 400. X, the number of successes, is 140. We want a confidence interval for the population proportion. The formula for this is p hat, point estimate, plus minus the margin of error, z root p hat, 1 minus p hat, over n. We have n, we need p hat, that's the proportion of times that the something met the criteria, 140 out of 400. So that is 0.35. And we need z, which we get from a level of confidence. Now if I were to take every sample of size 400, take the proportions, plot them out, I would see something approximately normal, according to the central limit theorem. Our sample proportion is somewhere on this curve. I don't know where. But to make my interval, I put it in the centre and form the interval around it, wide enough to contain the middle 95% or 95% confidence. That leaves 5% in the tails, so each tail is 2.5%. Z is the z-score to exclude these tails. You may have a table of these. If not, use the inverse normal function to get the critical value 1.960. Now let's use this formula. 0.35 plus minus the error, so I've got 0.35 times 0.65 divided by 400, square root that, and multiply by 1.96. The error is 0.0467. If I take that away from the point estimate, I get the lower bound of my interval, 0.3033. If I add it on, I get the upper bound, 0.3967. And there is my confidence interval for the population proportion.